Hey, welcome to my channel. This is Wafula Wekati of Wekati blog, and you know by now that I'm a writer at wekati.blogspot.com, where we write about literature and we analyze the set books that are currently being tested in the Kenyan curriculum. That's A Doll's House, The Pearl, Blossoms of the Savannah, Memories We Lost, and Inheritance. So today I decided I'm just gonna look at some of the feedback that I've been receiving on the blog from you guys and make a video about it. So I'm just going to be reading some of the comments that I've seen on the blog, because most of the comments are positive and most of the comments have kept me going. They're like the fuel that have kept this vehicle, this train called Wekati blog moving, because writing, some people argue that writing is difficult. For me, it's not really difficult, but it's tasking. And when you look at some of the comments that people write, positive or negative, they give you the impetus to keep going. So kindly, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, because I've been posting a lot of cool stuff. Not like this one is not really cool, but I'll be posting a lot of cool stuff, especially on literature. And then also leave a comment. Like I said, I like seeing comments, so leave a comment. Tell me what you think about wekati.blogspot.com and tell me what you think about this video. So let's cut right to the chase. Let me start with this article. This article is called KCSE English Paper 3 Essays 2020. It's basically discussing what I saw about the performance of KCSE English Paper 3 2019 and my views about what can be done by students and teachers to improve. Omar Bernard Odhiambo says, Wekati, this is great. This is great, Wekati, keep it up. Thank you, Bernard. I said, thanks for the feedback, Bwana Omar. Olwamba Ngwili, this is interesting. This is a nice guy. I like him because most of the time he actually gives very positive, he says nice things about people. So that says a lot about him. That says that Olwamba Ngwili is actually somebody with high self-esteem, because it takes somebody who has belief in themselves to say something nice about somebody else. So Olwamba Ngwili, thumbs up. Nice guy. He said, quite excellent analysis of KCSE 2019. I said, I appreciate your feedback, sir. Then somebody else, unknown, said, great work. That's it. That's all from that. Then some people also posted some comments about this on the Facebook comment section. Dennis Holmes said, no example from Inheritance. I post some sample essays. So I hadn't posted a sample essay on Inheritance. I think Dennis Holmes teaches Inheritance, and he was a bit disappointed that this guy had not posted a sample. So he said, no examples. Then that particular content will be uploaded soon. Thanks for the feedback. Then later on I said, the content has since been updated. Otanga Wilson Ngwili. This is Olwamba Ngwili. My brother that I was speaking about. He said, quite superb work. Keep it up. I will. Mangeni Pami Kasmol said, good work, sir. And I said, thanks, madam. Then Lorenzo K said, nice one. And I told him, thanks for the feedback. So that's all from that particular post. Let me look at another post and see what guys had to say. This is one on analysis of Blossoms of the Savannah. We also talked about Blossoms of the Savannah. I wonder what people had to say about that. I don't know. I hope they're positive comments. So let me scroll through the article all the way down to the comment section. It's kind of long, it's a long article. And so I'll start with the comments. This one has 15 comments. Unknown said, unknown because this is anonymous. This is just incredible. I'm one of your biggest fans. Thank you so much. I'm also your big fan. I hope you're watching this. And somebody else said, wow, it's very informative. It's a very informative literary analysis. Thanks for the feedback. Somebody else said, this is very educative. Will you mind sending it as PDF, please? I think I've converted a few of my stuff into PDF, and I've been sharing on WhatsApp. So just holla at a brother and you will get it as PDF. Then somebody said, hello, sir. I like your work. And do you have any work for Inheritance by David Molwa? I will be grateful if you share some. Thank you. I will share a lot of content on the same. Such a gem. Good work, mister. Thanks for the feedback. And somebody else said, extremely well researched. Totally helpful. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much. I will do more. Then on the Facebook section, sadly, there are only 2 comments and one is mine. And I said, thanks for reading. Please comment and share. And Maurice Kojo, special shout out to Maurice Kojo. Big up my brother. He's also a really nice guy. He says so much positive stuff about what I do, and I think he's also has this very nice personality. I wish to meet him. He's a nice guy. Trust me, he's a nice guy. Maurice Kojo. Thank you so much, Bwana Kojo. Bwana Kojo says, good work, sir. Keep the fire burning. As a matter of fact, I'm going to the kitchen. I'm going to light some firewood and I'll keep the fire burning. I will keep the fire burning. Then there is this 50 amazing blossoms of the Savannah study questions. I want to read some questions, some comments on this one. Hey, I hope you're still here and I hope you're enjoying this video because I'm really enjoying reading this. You know what I'm saying? And if you're still here, you're an awesome guy. So you should actually consider subscribing, like this video, share this video. It's actually just a frivolity and I'm just having fun, but a lot of serious stuff on wekati.blogspot.com. So if you're interested, you can head there and read some of the stuff there. Now, here are the comments. Somebody called Jed Kemoi said, good work. However, first response for number 43 should be Enka Muratani. Must have been a typo. Yeah, she's actually right. Jeb Kemoi, yeah, she's actually right. And I hope I actually went and corrected based on the comment. So I like this. If you see something that you feel is off, you can tell me so that I can rush and make corrections or amends. Unknown, somebody anonymous said, how does Joseph Parmoit influence Tayo's life? I gave an answer there. Another unknown, great work here, brother, keep it coming. Thanks for the feedback. I will. Then let's go to Facebook, see what people had to say on Facebook. Collins H. Ahilu. This one, he's actually my HOD. He's my boss, but he doesn't like being called boss. So please don't tell him that I said this. He said, nice stuff. Keep up the good work, man. I told him, thanks, brother, because he's actually my brother. Nice guy. Ben Damboki said, very ideal for Form 2 and 3 students. Thank you for the good work. So if you have Form 2 and 3 students, make sure you head to my blog, read some of the stuff on Blossoms of the Savannah. Michael Masharia said, great work. Concise. Straight to the point. Great work. I like that. Nice. Jacqueline Ongachi said, great work. Kudos. Thanks, madam. Then Walter Mondela said, good work, sir. Keep it up. I will keep it up. And thank you so much for the comments. Everybody I've mentioned, you're really awesome. Let's look at A Doll's House study questions. Here, it's just questions and answers. So let me see what people had to say. These guys tell me that there are 7 comments. So let me go through the 7 comments. The first one is from Unknown. Unknown says, very helpful to students. Thanks for the good work. I wish you guys could actually let me know who it is. Sign up for Blogger so that you have your name there. I don't have to call you Unknown. But keep writing the comments. You're awesome. Very helpful to the students. Thanks for the good work. Then idea.com. This is great, sir. God bless the work of your hands. Your sacrifice and selflessness are unmatched. Wow. Thank you. Then another one, Anonymous, says, very helpful. Our teacher had given us that assignment. I guess he's a student. So the teacher had given an assignment, then the student found the answers on the blog. Oh, the same guy added from Karori High School. So shout out to Karori High School teachers and students and everybody from Karori High School. You're awesome. Do we have any comments from Facebook? No, we don't. And this article is A Doll's House Essay Questions for KCSE Candidates. Most viewed article so far. Most viewed. So many views. Okay, not so many. So far, 16,000. It has been read 16,000 times. According to blog, I don't know because I don't keep track. But they do. So the first one is Anonymous. Superb analysis. Thank you so much for saying that. Then the second one, I say, this one is just an advertiser called Olek, just talk about some loans and stuff. Head over also. Take a loan from him if you need one. Then Olwamba Ngwili, I talked about him earlier. Great guy, awesome guy. He said, quality work relevant to the classroom, teacher and students. God bless you for this. Quite impressive work, Bwana Wekati. Thanks so much for the feedback, Bwana Olwamba. Then Hazel said, amazing. This is going to help me pass my paper 3. So I'm assuming this is also a student. Then the next comment is, this has changed my attitude towards adults of Asante Bwana Wafula. I'm also a student at Friends School Kamusinga. Proud of you, sir. Said also because that is my alma mater, my former school, has commented and he says he's proud. And I'm proud of you also because he obviously must have been searching for academic material to land on my page. So, big up. So I said, thanks for the feedback. Do we have some comments from Facebook? Yes, we do. Aisha Shiko said, this is awesome. It was really helpful. Thanks. Welcome. I told her more to come. Erika Yuma said, hello, Wafula. I find your materials helpful. Please clarify on the introduction. Are students allowed to discuss briefly the points or to discuss the points briefly? I get the point. I explained to him. Liz Nicole Edith is a friend to my friend called Abby. They teach somewhere. Said, good work. It has really helped me. Welcome, Liz. Maurice Kojo, I talked about Maurice Kojo, awesome guy. He said, awesome work, sir. He's awesome. That's why he said awesome. Then Figlia Della Luna said, hey, it helped, but I need to know more on introduction. I explained. I hope it helped. Luna, I hope you found it helpful. You found my explanation helpful. Juliana Mutula said, very helpful to me. Thank you. You're welcome. Young Ari said, thanks. I think I can get an A in English. You see, that's the self-belief that I love, self-confidence. I told him or her, well, for real, I cannot tell. Welcome, you will. It's quite possible. It's quite possible. Nasimiyu Immaculate said, this is very helpful. It will help to prepare my students well. Thanks a lot. You're welcome. Then Joyce Atino said, great work. Can I get this on my WhatsApp, please? I said, yes, you can. Thanks for the feedback. So, Joyce Atino, I'm waiting for your number so I can send you the material on WhatsApp. The PAL essay questions episodic approach. The PAL. I love the book by John Steinbeck. I hope you love it too. Anonymous comment says, at least I now understand how to how a mark earning essay is written. At least you now understand. I hope it's helpful. Thank you very much. Then another one, Anonymous says, and is there a specific way to write a topic essay? Because I mostly use the format of the author John Steinbeck in his novel The Pearl is able to show. And most of the times I tend to get a reason what may be the main issue. I tried to explain to the best of my ability. Then somebody else, Anonymous, said, questions on choice and failure to follow instructions often are centered on Kino as a key character of discussion, but questions on greed deception uses a diversified approach. Well, good insights. Good insights. That's all I can say about that. Domitila Mulunda said, informative, very good. Thanks so much, madam. Emmanuel Lucetti, this is my bro, said, great piece, bro. Bro, I told you guys, he's my bro. And sometimes the question could also be 3-tier, where the candidate has to address the 3 parts of the question in order to get a full score. In the past, the 2-tier and 3-tier questions have been a logjam for many candidates who only address one part of the question. Kudos. Big up, bro. I hope you're watching this. Then Sir Alois Baraza, my friend on Facebook, Sir Alois, shout out, said, superb. Thank you so much. Melix Mexi said, it's great and may the Lord bless you. Have learned a lot. It's going to help many. Bless you too. Then Patrick Masika said, this is good work, Wekati. Thank you, Bwana Masika. Let's move on to another one. Oboge Ken. Viva Mwalimu. It's helpful. Viva. Viva reminds me of our friend in Canada. Viva. Thank you so much. Then anonymous comment. Thanks a lot. So informative. Thank you so much. I hope it is. Bernard Matanda. Shout out Bernard Matanda. Teacher at Kimobo, I guess. Said, you have done a good job. Thank you so much. Joyce Rogoro said, good exposition. Thank you so much. Immaculate Mbula. She's an admin. Shout out to Literary Discourse WhatsApp group. That's a really nice group. I wish they could form a group on Facebook so that more people can join. Very helpful group, Literary Discourse. Olwamba Ngwili Ngwea added me to the group, and Bula is also admin. Really helpful group. Immaculate said, super content. Thank you so much, madam. Bewanja Wamgala, I went to school with this guy. Said, awesome, brother. Helen Jerry said, thanks for helping me to know more information about the doll's house. Nice. Maurice Kojo, I talked about him earlier. Nice guy. Thank you, Mr. Wekati, for this comprehensive analysis. Stella Andago said, wonderful. This is super. Learning a lot on how to use episodic approach to teach set text. Then Isaiah Regan Jr. said, this is awesome. This is an awesome article, to say the least. Extremely helpful. Thank you so much. Then Mikeson saying, thanks for the good work, Brother Wekati. Keep it coming. Wow. Positive comments. There are more. But let me stop. The subscribe button. Kindly. Because I need you here. I need you here because I'll be talking to myself if you're not here. And also like the video, share it if you like it, then say something about it. Leave some comments so that we can see. I don't know, have you seen the blog yet? Wekati.blogspot.com. Look at it and tell me, what would you like me to say in the blog? And I will. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're here up to now, then you know you're so awesome. Thank you so much. Love literature, love life.